It sure is a fine February day here in Colorado. Perfect light jacket weather. But we don't like plain old black white jackets. We like our light jackets with something awesome printed on the back. And today I'm going to show you on the Roland SG2-300 how to heat transfer on these light jackets. We're going to put a left chest on there. We're going to put a back on it. It's only going to take a few minutes. Let's get started on this Digital Monday. Heat soft transfer material works great on canvas bags and t-shirts and hoodies. And it works great on other things too. So we're doing these new era lightweight windbreakers, which is a popular item. These are hard to decorate on. With too much heat, they're going to burn, they're going to shrivel and scorch. It's hard to embroidery because it might pucker. Screen printing, you end up putting a lot of ink on there, just it peels off, it's not great. Direct to garment's not an option. Dye sublimation won't work because it's black. The heat soft transfer material goes on real easy. It's very durable. 300 degrees, 20 seconds or so, medium pressure, and that's on there. That's not going anywhere. It's perfect for these lightweight jackets. Let me show you how. In Illustrator or Apparel Draw, we have to set our cut contour line to prep it for cutting. In this case, I'm going to set my cut contour line at 0.25. And then I'm going to save it as a PDF. This will be best for printing. When I bring my art into VersaWorks, I want to set my vinyl profile, heat soft transfer material. We're going to set how many we want to print, get the media width, and then hit the print button. Changing out media on the SG2-300 is easy. Here I'm putting in heat soft transfer material. Since heat soft transfer material is so thin, I have my print head all the way down for maximum resolution. I also adjusted my cutter to use less force because the media is so thin. When printing small designs, I prefer to fill the media with. It's less waste, and you never know, you might need extras. The SG2-300 cutter is just as industrial as any. You can cut anything from thin material to thick, like twill. Setting the sheet cut is easy. I like it because I don't want to pull out the scissors. Like with any vinyl application, we have to weed away the material we don't want. Yes, it's a little time consuming, but with a good cutter, it really makes it easy. Now, because we're putting this heat soft transfer material onto fabric, we need to transfer it with a mask. This Roland transfer mask is really easy to use. It's very forgiving. It's actually reusable too. If you've ever worked with masking material before, you know you need to rub it down so it adheres with the vinyl. This stuff is clear so you can see where your placements are going to be. I'm going to lay my garment out flat, then I'm going to peel back the transfer mask. It adheres to all the vinyl, so it works really easy. It's easy for me to lay it out, square it up just right. I'm just going to lay it flat on the heat press, put some parchment paper down, and then bring my heating element over 300 degrees for about 20 seconds, medium pressure. Now, Roland advises that heat soft transfer material is a hot peel. And just look how easy that mask comes right off. Looks professional if you ask me. Now I want to apply the left chest. So I'm going to lay out my garment, peel the mask away from the backing. And this is easy to square up. I didn't wait at all between transferring the back to laying out my garment to do the left chest. Now, because there's snaps on this jacket, I don't want to put the heating element down and melt them. So I'm using this t-shirt as a bit of a riser. It works perfect where I can isolate the area that I'm trying to transfer and keep the snaps below the heating element. Look how easy that peels off, and those snaps are perfect. No damage at all, and our logo is on there. So there you have it. Durable, easy to apply heat transfer material on sensitive fabric. Easy to do. A lot of money to be made here. Love it. Well, thanks for watching. Tune in next week. We're going to do direct to garment again. We're going to print bright colors on white t-shirts because people always wonder why their colors come out so dull and muted. Well, we're going to fix it. See you next week on Digital Monday.